Hi Aryan, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
Very good. So today, what do you want to do?
In today's class, I wanna try and find the equations for trig graphs when like the graph is given for the certain equation, and write the equation in both sine and cosine, if it's in that form.
Perfect. So do you have questions to share or should I start with my questions?
Oh yeah, I actually have a worksheet that I just saw. I didn't put it in the folder because this is actually for next week, but I think he already updated it,
Okay, okay.
updated his
So you will
website.
share it or you'll upload? What will you do?
I'll just upload it.
Okay, upload
Because
it.
if I share, then yeah,
Okay, great. So I think I got the sheet. Okay,
yeah.
so your uploaded sheet is right there. Let me just share
Okay,
that with you now. Uh,
okay, yeah,
let's see. That's the one, right? Which you just uploaded?
yeah. This is the one. This is the one. Yeah.
Okay, great. So let's begin with our questions. First one, can you please read and answer the question?
So it's what is the equation for the accompanying graph? That's like so. I think it's graphed out. Yeah, it's graphed. So can you like zoom in a little bit because I can't really see it?
I see, I see. Wait, wait. Oh, yeah, yeah, control plus. Oh, that's good. I knew about it. Perfect, perfect. Okay. So there you go. So it has been zoomed. Can you now match what is the right answer?
Yeah,
It looks like a cosine graph with because it starts with the maximum, the amplitude being one for you, and the time period, half of the wave is given to us, half of the wave is 2 pi, correct?
yeah,
So within 2 pi, there is only half the wave. So that is another way of writing the
yeah,
time k value. K is number of cycles in 1, 2 pi, right? Do you see that? So we can write down this answer as one is your this, and so option four is your right option.
yeah,
Is that clear to you?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So option four is the right option. Now, next question.
Yeah. What is the period of the graph whose equation is 3 cosine x? Sorry, 3 cosine times 2x.
Tell me.
Isn't this pi? Um,
So T is 2 pi by 2, right?
yeah,
So,
so it's just pi, but we have to put it in degrees, I think.
so
So
it's
it's,
9. Next one.
I think it's this negative 5. Yeah, that one.
Both
No.
included. That is
Yeah,
correct. That is correct. Next one. Which function has the same period as y equals to 4 cos 2x? So 4 cos 2x time period is how much? Pi, correct? So which function has a time period of pi out of the ones given to you?
um, let's see. Yeah, the fourth one, right?
Tan. The tan
Oh,
is
wait.
period of
Oh,
co
okay. Cosine. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. I didn't see that.
yeah, yeah. So I think that is all clear. And let me move forward and take from question number 5 onwards, right? Can you please answer question number 5?
Yeah. What is the equation for the accompanying graph? So, yeah, it's the third option, I think. Y is equal to sine times 3x.
So you have an amplitude of 1, and in 2 pi, how many waves are there? So 1 wave, 2 wave, and 3 waves, right? Since there are
Yeah.
3 waves, we'll say option 3 is the right option. Is that clear to you?
Yeah. Yeah.
So K is number of waves. K is number of waves, cycles exercise.
Yeah. So a lot of these questions are like the same, like from 6 to 8. So can we just skip to like question 9?
Sure, we will do that. Okay, clear.
I think you can.
Okay, so that's interesting. So tell me, question number 9 for you. Can you
Okay.
read the question and answer?
Yeah. Graph the equation y is equal to 2 sine x minus 1 in the interval negative pi a lesser is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to pi.
Correct. So how will you do it?
So your amplitude is 2, and then you have like a shift which is down 1.
Yeah. So we say I say q is minus 1.
Yeah,
Time period t is 2 pi. Correct.
2 pi. Yeah.
Correct. And the interval is given to you. Axis, which I say is
It's just y is equal to negative 1.
x is minus 1. So at minus 1, we will just draw, and 2 is our value. So let's say this is 1 unit minus 1. Is it okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Minus 2, minus 3, right? So you can draw the axis at minus 1 first. So I'm using 2 units as 1. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So that becomes the axis. And then we'll draw the maximum and minimum, which is going 2 units up, correct? So
2
that
units
becomes
up.
the maximum. And then 2 units down becomes the minimum.
Never mind. Yeah, that's good.
I've made a bigger scale so that
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I was like, you went forward, but yeah, it's just true. Because
now
yeah,
it is okay, right?
yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Now we can decide about the period, which we have to go half this way and half that way, right? Sine always
Yeah,
starts with 0, right? So
yeah.
uh, we can see this is pi by 2, let's say, right? Pi by 2, correct? And that is pi for us, let us say, right? So in that case,
Okay.
it is minus pi by 2, and that will be
Oh,
minus pi for us.
yeah.
Correct? And we'll connect the points. The points will be, let me use another ink to connect the points. So from here we go, sine starts with the origin, goes up and then down. And in this case, it will go down and then up. And so we have this graph here, which is, so that becomes the sine function within the given interval of minus pi to plus pi. Is that clear to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Perfect. So
Okay,
great. So we'll end our class here. So
okay.
can you summarize today's learnings?
Yeah. So in today's class, we went over more practice problems and went over how to graph tangent functions
Yes,
without like any calculations specifically.
without any calculus. That's very important. And I showed you the general solution. I'll make a video on that and post it separately.
Okay.
Great. Thank
Yeah.
you
Okay.
and all the
Thank
best.
you.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.